Hello there, my friend, and welcome. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how simple it is for you to actually go ahead and track your leads as a free member of Leadsleap. We're actually giving you free lifetime membership. So let me scroll down here and share this feature with you. So first things first, as a marketer, I'm pretty sure you have a marketing budget and you're driving the traffic from different sources. So it's very important that you track how many hits and how many signups you're getting from those traffic sources. And the internet is the wild, wild west, because you might have some traffic sources you think you're getting loads of hits, but however, those hits might be bots and they're not staying on your page long enough, and they're not even opting in. So most trackers just track the hits, but with Leadsleap we actually track how many of those are unique, how long they've stayed on the page, and the opt-ins as well, which is very, very powerful. So surfing duration is important, because if you get bot traffic, it's just clicks that you're getting, but humans will essentially stay on a site for 10 seconds or more. The Leadsleap tracker is absolutely priceless. So let's go into our back office here. And the first thing I want to share with you is that when you as a free member, you can build up to 10 capture pages. And when you build them, you're able to track them immediately as well, that the tracker is automated. So let me go ahead and share this capture page here with you, share the stats with you, and share the stats. So this is the page that I'm sharing with you here. I'm going to actually share this with you at the end of this video if you want to use this platform for free. So 30 days, last 30 days, you can see how many clicks I've got, 2,288. How many have been unique, 1,788. How many have been real, 2,069. These have stayed for 10 seconds or more. And how many have opted in? So I can come in here, I can see all these stats here. That was a good day, 19th of April. Not sure what happened there, but you can literally see what's going on here. And here you can see which traffic sources you're getting the most hits from and which ones you're getting the most conversions. So for instance, this traffic source here doesn't do well with other offers I have, but with Leadsleap, you can see that it's doing absolutely fantastic, and that's one reason why I actually stayed with this traffic source, because I know that it works with Leadsleap. You can see YouTube. YouTube is just absolutely, this is where you are right now. My lead gen secret, I only promoted this, I think, once, and I was able to get those 3 hits. Oh, actually, no, this is my course, my lead generation strategies. Yeah, that's what that is. So 3 people have opted in. So bucket of banners, Leadsleap itself. Yeah, so it's very powerful information to know as a marketer which one of your traffic sources are generating opt-ins. And if I go into my list manager here, I can actually, when I get sales in any offer, I'm just going to go, where should I go? I'm going to go to this one. But I can literally come in. Oh yeah, I'm hiding there. Okay, perfect. I can literally come in and see the traffic source where I got that sale from. So you can track exactly where people are coming from. This is extremely powerful. So the tracker as well, if you already have a link, then you can go to track links here, and you can add a track link. So you already have, you're not building your link within Leadsleap. You already have one from external. You can come in here and paste the link and add now. And with that, you can track how many hits, if they're unique, and how long they're staying. But you can't actually track the conversions from that, okay? And then what else do we have? We have rotators. This is a feature that I'm not using as well, but you can actually add different links to one rotator. So you can, if you're promoting multiple offers, you can put them all under one link and just promote the one link. And as you do that, you have to first set up your links as a tracker link and then add them to the rotator. And yeah, that's a powerful way if you're promoting multiple. So if you are a marketer and you're looking for free tools that you can use to build your business, then go ahead and click the link in the description to create your free lifetime membership. And if you're interested in actually learning more about how to use Leadsleap, how to drive traffic to your offers, then I invite you to click the second link in the description and get access to this platform. It will cost you $10 one time. And for that, you actually get access to step-by-step training on Leadsleap, because I use Leadsleap for years on and off as a pro member, but I only ever use it for traffic generation. But as you can see, there's so much more to the platform. So in this platform, you can get, it's a 10-day video series where Danny Cash takes you by the hand and walks you step by step through how to utilize the platform. And she also shares her traffic generation methods there. And if you want this exact funnel that you're going to go through, she shows you exactly how to set it up as well. So that's there for you. Click the link in the description. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to me. There's a link to my Facebook profile page. There's a link to my mastermind group. Otherwise, if you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.